Theoretical Irfan studies existence, the existence of human beings, the existence of this world, the existence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In theoretical Irfan, one analyzes how Allah is the essence of everything. He's the source of everything. And in reality, only His existence is what exists. This is theoretical Irfan. It's all about the existence of Allah. What is the nature of His existence? What is the nature of my existence? What is the nature of everything's existence? So it is very similar to what? To philosophy, Islamic philosophy. Because Islamic philosophy, if you've taken any classes, revolves around existence. We try to analyze existence. Now I'll get to the difference between Irfan and philosophy. Philosophy is all about existence. We have Wajibul Wujud, who is God, whose existence is mandatory, who must exist. We have Mumkinul Wujud, beings that may exist, may not exist. And we have Mumtani'ul Wujud, beings that cannot exist, like a partner to Allah. This is something that cannot happen. So it's all about existence, the various forms of existence. And of course, the most powerful form of existence is Allah. So theoretical Irfan is almost the same. It's about existence, the existence of Allah, my existence, the existence of everything. This is what we discuss in theoretical Irfan. So it's a bunch of theories. It's all this information that you have to know and believe in it. There's no practice. There's no applying. There's nothing for you to apply. When it comes to theoretical Irfan, it's just knowledge that you have to learn. So in this way, it's also similar to aqa'id. Any of you may have taken aqa'id classes. Aqa'id, there's no action, there's just knowledge. You have to know and believe in God, that there is one God, that He sent a messenger, and the 12 imams, and there's a day of judgment, and God is just. What do I do? Just believe in it. That's it. It's in your heart. Theoretical Irfan is just a belief. So this is what theoretical Irfan